This is why you need to know how top-notch energy sets LPG prices. Let's break it down. LPG, or liquefied petroleum gas, pricing might seem complex, but it's based on a few key factors. First up, global crude oil prices. Since LPG is a byproduct of crude oil, changes in oil prices directly impact LPG costs. Next, we have supply and demand. High demand or limited supply can push prices up, while low demand or surplus supply can pull them down. Then there are seasonal variations. In winter, demand for heating increases, often driving prices higher. Summer typically sees a dip due to lower heating needs. Lastly, don't forget about transportation and distribution costs. Getting LPG from refineries to your doorstep involves logistics, which also influence the final price. So, there you have it. BIM, top-notch energy, combines these factors to set fair and competitive LPG prices. Stay informed and you'll always know what's behind your energy bill. Thanks for watching.